And spicy. Look at that. Gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome to Dinner for One. This is a cooking show about cooking dinner for one person. Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite things to eat, something I make for myself all the time, sardine toast. So let's get started. As you can see here, I've got a collection of what the ingredients that I'm gonna use to make this dish. So I have this hollow loaf. We have a lemon, sardines from Maritime Market. We have a red onion, cilantro from the farmer's market, and pickles too. All right, so let's get started. I'm ready to cook, so I'm gonna use my apron to protect my clothes from the food that I'm gonna be preparing. No matter what I'm cooking, I always like to put on an apron, even if it's just a sandwich. And the apron today is brought to you by Trail King Whole Oats. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my well-packed sardines and soy sauce. Look at that, that looks great. I'm gonna take a slice of my challah here. So I'm just gonna cut, I like a really thinly sliced onion. Get that sardine all on there. Get my red onion on there. Get some cilantro. That's a different way of pronouncing it. The fish is salty. Oh shit, I forgot my salt. Oh fuck. And definitely critical not to forget also the lemon. Hit that with some lemon and just get that lemon just cascading over that. Just blasted, beautiful, fresh, organic lemon. And look, like you have a gorgeous, nice snack. It's healthy, 800 milligrams of omega, something that makes things more enjoyable and appetizing to eat for me is like a uniform flavor, a uniform texture and color. And so to achieve that, fuck, I like to use a blender. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna throw a little bit of the pickle brine in there, it's electrolytes, and throw that in there. A 24-hour cold brew. What the fuck is this water coming from? Oh shit, it's like dripping straight through. Just gotta tighten this up. I don't know how the fuck this happened, to be honest, because this is not even mine, actually. So I'm just gonna dump it in and just go really fast. That shit is gonna drip out. That smells really good. So just look at that cascading. And like I said, color, texture. So we have our meal. It's got caffeine, it's got omega-3s, it's got everything that you would really need for a day's food. So, I mean, what more could you want? Cheers. It's really, really good. Wow. Thanks everybody for watching. This has been Dinner for One. I'm your host, Alec. Petit.